At number 1, we have the Rockford Fosgate Punch P300. Picture this. Your favorite music is playing, but something is missing. This all-in-one bass machine destroys weak factory sound. This 12-inch powerhouse is protected by a tough steeled MDF box that handles any bump or vibration. A 300-watt RMS Class D amp and high-output woofer work together for rock-solid bass. Setup is a breeze. Just connect power, ground, and signal, and the smart auto turn-on circuit does the rest. It's not just brute force. Sculpt your perfect thump with the built-in crossover and adjustable EQ. Punch P312 is your ticket to bass paradise. Easy installation, pro-grade sound, and rock-solid reliability.
At number 2, we have the SVS SB1000 Pro. Picture stuffing the low end of a full orchestra into a shoebox and turning it up until your windows rattle. That's the SVS SB1000 Pro for you. This little tower of power houses a 12-inch woofer in a sealed cabinet that easily fits into tight places and cranks out chest-pounding bass to 20 Hz. But raw power is nothing without control, so SVS baked in a 50 Hz DSP and a Bluetooth-enabled smartphone app that allows you to fine-tune from your seating position. The result? Rock-solid, distortion-free bass with a feeling of both muscularity and musicality, whether you're gaming or watching a movie. In other words, the SB1000 Pro makes small spaces sound like bass havens without taking an inch of your floor plan. At number 3, we have the JBL Basspro Hub. Ever felt your heart beat not just from the road, but from a bass drop so real you can feel it rattling your spine? This 11-inch powered subwoofer fits in your spare tire well, delivering thumping bass without wasting space. Its efficient Class D amplifier and fiberglass cone provide tight, distortion-free thump, even at high volumes. A wired remote with a 5-meter cable means you don't have to leave your seat to adjust the sound. Concert thumping bass you can install stealthily. The sub is your ticket. At number 4, we have the Seventour Slim Underseat Subwoofer. Tired of your factory speakers barely delivering any bass? Now you can feel the ground shake with this stealthy wonder. It fits perfectly under any front seat, freeing up your trunk space for more important things. Get up to 800 watts of peak power from its built-in amp. Use the wired remote to get your signature low end just right. It's easy to install. Just plug it in, play it, and slide it under the seat. Perfect for both DIYers and professionals. And with its custom spider web protector and blue LED ring, every beat hits just the way you like it.
At number 5, we have the Rockville RW10CA. Tired of flat bass? This stealthy underseat monster packs an 800-watt peak punch into a slim 2.7-inch box. With a built-in amplifier and smart auto turn-on, skip the messy wiring and connect to any system. Then change your thunder with the included remote knob for ultimate control over your bass. Real, CEA 2006 certified power and safe operation. This is the Rockville RW10CA.